Namaste everyone, welcome back to my channel. Uh, are your are your boat Airdopes 141 draining battery way too fast? You charge them up expecting 42 hours of battery life, but they seem to die way quicker than they should. In this video, we are fixing this issue. I am going to reveal a common mistake that almost everyone makes with these earbuds, and how you can fix it right now to save your battery performance. The biggest mistake is ignoring those blinking LED lights on your earbuds and the charging case. When your earbuds don't disconnect properly, those LEDs keep flashing constantly. You can see that these earbuds don't disconnect properly. That's why these LED lights are flashing constantly. Think of it like a tiny slow leak in a water tank. Over a few hours, that constant blinking completely drains your battery before you even realize it. To fix this and stop the battery drain, always make sure your earbuds are sitting perfectly inside the case and that the lid is completely snap shut. So first of all, I am checking that earbuds are sitting perfectly inside the case and that the lid is completely shut. And so earbuds are yes. Now that the lid is completely shut, and if the charging pins are inside are clean, the earbuds will instantly stop flashing, turn off and begin charging properly inside instead of losing power. So first of all, I am cleaning these charging pins. Where you can put your earbuds in your charging case. So guys, I clean the charging pins. Now I am checking that earbuds will stop flashing turn off and begin charging properly instead of losing power. So guys, I am checking that I am cleaning this properly with the charging pins. I think that it is not cleaned properly, so that I am cleaning again these pins. Now charging pins inside are clean. The earbuds are instantly stop placing, turn off and begin charging properly instead of losing power. Try this simple habit and let me know in the comments if your battery life improves. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel, because in part 2 we will cover the charging mistakes that can permanently damage your earbuds battery health. See you next time, my tech family. Thank you.